Now, softball regionals also began tonight. We head to Herbert Hoover, where the Huskies were hosting the Lincoln Cougars. We catch this one late, and it's a big hit right here by the Huskies to left center, which gets a man on third. Hoover had a man both on first and third loaded right now, but unfortunately the Huskies couldn't score there, so the Cougars up to bat next, and it's a big hit, but the Huskies catch it for the out. And the pitching by Hoover tonight was incredible, you guys. 3 straight outs, and the Huskies win this game 1 by a pretty big margin, the final 4-1.